of Pride Coastal Club. For the adventures of Pride Coastal Club.
So here we are, guys, at the railroad here at Six Flags Over Georgia, just as our train's pulling into the station. So let's go jump on inside and let's check out what this awesome train has to detail. And always, don't forget to use the drinking fountain and stay hydrated.
Welcome aboard the Six Flags Over Georgia Railroad. They call me the Texas, and I'm the train engine that'll be taking you on a trip around this beautiful park today. Now, I'd first off like to say that I appreciate everybody coming on board. If it weren't for you, I'd surely be taking up space up in that old scrapyard with some of my family members that have come and gone over the years. Yep. I've been touring folks like you around this park since it opened way back in 1967. And y'all have always been good to me. So they've kept me around for over 50 years now, and I sure do thank you for that. You might have heard me mention my family. I'll have plenty more to say about them during this trip. But before we get moving towards Wrangling Cattle, there's some rules I have to take care of, so listen real careful. There's no eating, drinking, or smoking while you run this train. Also, for your safety, remain seated. Always keep your hands and feet inside these here train cars, and don't be trying to get up and get off of this train until I say it's safe. Now, if everybody's seated and ready, we'll get moving here just as soon as I clear my throat. That's better. Now, as we pull out of the Marthansville station, turn and wave goodbye to your station master and all the nice folks who were so helpful in getting you safely on the train today. As a matter of fact, you'll see folks waving at you this whole trip, so be polite, wave back. We are in the South, after all. Shoot, we can practice right now as we come up to the spot, put over 800 smiling members of our family into the park to make sure you have a good day and a fun time here at Six Flags. Let's just take a second to say hey to one another. Now, keep hearing me mention family, because that's what we are. And there ain't many old ranks left that have been here with me since opening day back in 1967. But down on the left, we're coming up on one that has. While many others have come and gone, the line of the mine train has been here since the beginning. Named after the line of the Georgia Gold Rush of 1828, which just happened to be the very first gold rush in these here United States. The mine train was the
train on the left right here.
Until the addition of the Great American Screen Machine way back in 1973, when the Cotton States Exposition was in. Here on the right, where the Dodge City Public Park was for 43 years, you will now see Justice League, Battle for Metropolis.
Justice League would be on your right here, coming up to it.
See Superman, alternate flight, shooting up to 115 feet at speeds of over 60 miles per hour, which is way faster than this. These days, I'll just stick to my cruising speed of 10 miles per hour. In 2017, Metropolis replaced the Cotton State section, which was once home to favorites like Momo the Monster and Viper. Now, we all have those family members that refuse to age gracefully. And in 2016, one of our own huts broke down. Just here on the right where the Flowers Train seaports used to live, what used to be called Ninja. After a facelift and name change, we now call her Blue Hawk. But she still takes you up.
Blue Hawk will be on your right here.
In comparison, this here train you're on right now takes you upside down 3 more times. To your right, standing 200 feet in the air, is Skyscraper.
Skyscraper coming up right here. Big tall swing.
It's got moved in from USA section back in 1985 to replace the drunken barrels. They got too inebriated to continue on. skyscraper lives in the Nick Skillet section, which became an addition of our family back in 1968. In 2019, the former home of Whistle Stop Park at Deja Vu was transformed into the Screamboat District. Now I'm old, don't know what Screamboat means, but I do know that when you add a 15-story penguin at 70 miles per hour, it becomes pandemonium.
Pandemonium is that right there.
Folks are coming and going to and from Thunder River. And folks always look a lot more soggy when they were going. Back when I began driving guests around these tracks, that ride was called John Revol's Adventure, and you actually got in over to the left, where you now see the Coca-Cola hydration station. But back in 1982, the ride was revamped. Thunder River has been so beyond ever since. Well, howdy, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard the Six Flags Over Georgia Railroad. They called me the Texas. I'm the train engine whose job it's been for over 50 years to show you fine people all the sights of Six Flags Over Georgia. Today I'm going to give you a little bit of Six Flags history as you look at some of the rides and attractions in our beautiful park. But first, I want to say thank you for hopping on and making me part of your visit to Six Flags. Now, before we start our trip over to the Martinsville train station, there's some very important rules I have to tell you. So listen carefully. There's no eating, drinking, or smoking while you're on this train. Also, for your safety, remain seated. And always keep your hands and feet inside these here trains.
We're coming up to Gotham City on your right,
Just as soon
on that side.
the tracks are clear up ahead with a nice little screen. Oh, all right. They have been warned. Let's go. Now, just for a second, imagine we're back in 1900. Your hair is feathered and your Jordache jeans are scooped out. Six Flags Over Georgia has been open just over a decade. We have already seen expansion by Nick Skillet and Cotton Sticks. Our guests are still begging for more. Spend that season in the addition of Jolly Roger's Island and its signature ride, the Flying Dutchman. That pirate theme stuck around until 1997. When those dastardly spot travelers were blasted out to sea by a hit crusader with no patience for those who commit crime. So now, over to your right, you'll see Gotham City, home of the Joker Chaos Coaster, Catwoman Whip, and the
So on my board, we are now looking at Daredevil, one of our new rides that we
That
have.
section reads like a who's who of guest favorites. The Chevy Show, the Drive-In Theater, Shake, Rattle, and Roll, and Freefall. Sometimes you've got to lose the game to be big buck. And I'm not talking about all the weight I gained when they switched me to a diesel engine back in 2005. But anyway, to the left, standing high in the air with 3 inversions, is Daredevil Dive. She joined us back in 2011, daring guests to take that 95-foot drop. When the park opened in 1967, some people say the most popular ride had to be the Log Jamboree. I would say the most popular ride had to be the Six Flags Railroad, but I digress. The log ride was so popular that in 1968, an additional flume had to be added to meet the demand of guests who wanted to ride. You can see that set of flume is still right there for you to enjoy today. The original flume was removed in 1990 to make room for Range and Rivers until 1998, when that flume became a flame called Georgia Scorch. Now we're coming up on the coaster, so huge, such a giant, that 2 rides had to be closed to make room for it. Back in 2005, we lost 2 long-time favorites, the Lupin Starship and the Great Gatsby. But in return, received what is arguably the most popular ride at Six Flags Over Georgia today. Oh, nice. There were many who grumbled.
Live is our roller coaster
those grumblings quickly turned to shrieks of excitement in the spring of 2006 when the first trips on the
Oh
line.
my goodness, apologies for the train. We have a little bit of
Eventually you will see
friction on it. That's why it's making that noise, but we're all good.
the front gate area was remodeled in 1998 to include shops and a brand new fountain. Promenade saw a more recent change when we lost Six Flags Marketplace to Coaster Candy in the Great Sugar Rush of 2017. Down past the promenade is the coastal section. From 1967 to 2017, this area was called the British section and was home to old favorites like the Highland Swings, Blondie's Tavern, and Piccadilly Sweets. Now here we are, back at the Marthasville train station, a name rich in Georgia history. Once called Terminus, thus marked the end of the western Atlantic train line. The name was changed to Marthasville in 1842, and then finally, in 1845, became known as the great city of Atlanta. So, if this is the end of the line for you, gather your belongings, wait for the train to come to a complete stop, then listen for my whistle to signal the all clear. Then you will be free to exit the train. Otherwise, feel free to stay on, and after I take a quick rest, we'll be heading back home to the Rail Tap train station. I hope you enjoyed the trip and have a great rest of your day here at Six Flags over Georgia.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that POV of the railroad here at Six Flags Over Georgia. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube, but you never know what other railroads I might film for you. Maybe I'll film the one at Six Flags Fiesta, Texas, or you know what, I really feel like a trip to film the one at Kings Island is very due. The trip to Kings Island is due in general. I haven't been there in a good while. Anyway, it's a subject for another day, so if you want to see that adventure, please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Love you all. Stay safe, beautiful, and amazing, and peace.
Come join us for the adventures of Pride Coastal Club. For the adventures of Pride Coastal Club.